Parents, I got a question for you. Do you ever feel like time is moving too quickly? Like, as a parent, you're missing moments for your kid and to influence your kid, and you're gonna miss out. Like, they're gonna leave and you didn't influence them in the way that you thought you should. And you've got anxiety, a little bit of panic, maybe you're ignoring it and you're brushing it aside. It's really stressful to think about these really big things like launching our kid and saying goodbye and did I raise them right? Oh, these are big questions. Let's stop time just for one night. December 6th at 6, we're doing a parent seminar that's really gonna help you. Like, after this seminar, you are going to understand your role as a parent as God sees it. It's a gospel-centered parent seminar, free food, round tables with other parents. Here's the catch. You got to sign up by December 1st. I can't wait to see you there. Bye.